Hey, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be unboxing the Crockpot 7-quart MyTime Crockpot, right? Now, I know you guys already know what a traditional Crockpot looks like, but it's just something about unboxing that's just like therapy. Now, we're going to go ahead and get this thing unboxed. As you can see, that's your ceramic base, and then you got, the actual, mechanism that your ceramic base sits into, and then on front of that you have your digital control board. So what's cool about this Crockpot here is those latches that's on the hood, and then you also have a gasket seal that keeps everything, all your heat in this Crockpot. And then you can seal that bad boy up and carry it, but don't carry it by this handle because you could have a little accident, right, and your food be everywhere. Now you want to remove that orange tab and then also that sticker. But let's go ahead and get to this Crockpot. Set your time to the time that you're at, and then you can schedule your meals, right? And then you see where it says the earliest end time. You can set that to whatever time that you want it to end. Now you got your your meat, your poultry, and then your soup and your veggies setting, right? But see, for me, I'm gonna be cooking some ribs, right? So I'm hitting that manual setting, and I'm setting it for 2 hours and 30 minutes because I'm cooking some St. Louis style ribs in this Crockpot, just to give it a test drive, right? If you test drive in the car, you want to see how it works, right? So I'm test driving this bad boy for you, right? And as you can see, I got those ribs in there. You already know with ribs, you got to get that bad boy seasoned. So you see it right here. Look at that, it's coming along just fine. You got your juices in there. We're going to discard that, and then we're going to pour some barbecue sauce on top of that, right? And continue to cook this, for an additional hour. So we're going to put the lid back on there, and then we're going to set this bad boy for an hour. Now, like I said, with that gasket seal, it's going to keep all that heat in there, right? And look at those ribs right there. They're almost ready to go, but not just quite right. So, if you're cooking some ribs in the Crockpot, if you've never done it before, hey, stay tuned because I'm going to have, a recipe coming out for Crockpot ribs and oven ribs. So you can see in the back, I'm cooking some more, right? But get these ribs sauced up. As you can see, man, those look absolutely delicious. Put your, your oven on broil, let that barbecue sauce sit in there, and then you got some absolutely delicious ribs that came from the Crockpot, and they looked absolutely fantastic. All right, we're gonna try that St. Louis style rib. Now this was the Crockpot one. I already know this bad boy about to be delicious. Now that's absolutely amazing right there. I'm gonna give me another bite of that. That's super delicious. And like I said, stay tuned because I got some more recipes to come.